If you're going to Running of the Bulls in Pamplona, Spain, or you've ever been interested in going, you need to watch this video. First thing you need to know is there are 1 million plus people that descend upon the city over the week that the Running of the Bulls takes place. In order to see the Bulls run, you're either going to have to stay out all night, which the Spaniards do, get there super early, pay for a balcony, or go to my secret spot and we're saving the best for last. The third best spot is going to be the fence at Dead Man's Corner. The Bulls are released at 8 a.m. sharp. We left our place, I think, at 5 a.m. So it was around 5:30 in the morning when I first got a spot on the fence. You can see even that early, there's tons of people already getting ready. And if you need a landmark in order to find the spot, just put the Burger King in your phone.
Okay, I've been on the fence for 2 hours holding a spot. We're at Dead Man's Corner, so we're getting ready to go run.
Pros of this spot, it's free. Cons, you have to get there really early in the morning and you have to fight for a spot on the fence because you have a ton of people that are fighting to get the same spot you are. And those emergency workers stand right there and block your view pretty much the entire time.
We're ready! Can you get your phone out? Yeah. Get a picture of all of us up here.
In this area, you can hear the gun go off, so you know when the Bulls are coming. And I just wanted to mention there are also fences like this that are over by the stadium that you could fight for a spot on as well.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. That's all of them.
The number 2 best spot is going to be a balcony. Now the pros of this view is it's incredible. You've got a bird's eye view of the street down below. It's a total vibe up there. Problem is it is really expensive and you have to book it 6 months to a year in advance. And the moment you've all been waiting for, the top secret spot to watch Running of the Bulls is the outside balcony at the stadium that the Bulls are running to. Now, going to the stadium itself, it's a total vibe and something you definitely need to experience. We accidentally found the best place to watch Running of the Bulls, and it's mainly because we tried to run the second day we were there. There's too many people trying to run, they kicked us out, so we hustled on over to the stadium, scalped some tickets, but because it was so busy, we could not get a seat inside. And then it dawned on me, there's got to be a tunnel where the Bulls are running into the stadium. So let's go to the outside balcony and find that view. Lo and behold, there's a few people that are standing there, but we got the most incredible view for a cheap 15 euros in order to scalp a ticket to go into the stadium.
Oh, that guy's down. Oh, he's up. Oh, that guy's down. Oh, they're running. I think they're coming. Oh, there they are. Holy shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. Those guys are like just down. Oh, my gosh. There's more bulls. Oh, that guy almost got it. Okay. Holy shit. No, because he's hurt. He can't get up. He's hurt. Is there another bull or something? What's going on?
The best part about this video is that after we watched it back, we realized the guy who almost gets gored is our friend Chris.
Oh my gosh.
And hopefully this slow motion clip will convince you that it is much better to watch the running of the bulls than to participate.
Oh my gosh, there's more bulls.
It's one of those clips that the more you watch it, the more you find something different to watch, like this guy that's trying to bail over the fence and just completely falls. And then there's this poor man who is clearly not okay.
No, because he's hurt. He can't get up. He's hurt. Is there another bull or something? What's going on?
The bonus of this spot is if you can wiggle your way into a spot in the crowd, the energy of this stadium is amazing. Everybody sings and the anticipation builds up of when they release another one of the small bulls, and then it's complete chaos.